can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Sui. Sui is down for 16.2% over the last 1 month. Sui is down 55% over the last 1 year. In this video, we look at Sui's performance against the US dollar. Can we get to new all-time highs? How high can we even go if that Santa rally comes through? We look at Sui's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Sui's performance against Ethereum, and finally we look at Sui's market cap, which sits around the $6.21 billion right now. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market. We've seen extreme fear grip the market over the last 1 month. We saw a lot of altcoins dumping to gobbling town. Sui in that last 1 month lost 16% of its value. Where is Sui heading in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Sui is up 7.6% over the last 1 week because we're seeing signs of life return back to the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins are bubbling. A lot of altcoins have even seen double-digit gains return over the last 1 week. But still, the million-dollar question that is haunting us is that how high can Sui go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is the bull market over for Sui? We saw extreme fear grip the market over the last 1 month. Market participants were sure the bull market is over. They were sure we're already deep in the bear market. And then I say, it's either the bull market ending December of 2024 and we're spent 1 year already deep in the bear market, or the bull market is still on and we can still set new all-time highs. In the case of Sui, we saw it getting to $5.53 where it was trading in December of 2024. Right now, Sui trades around the $1.67 level. We saw Sui even getting to as low as $1.31. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, don't be shocked to see Sui make an attempt for new all-time highs. I will not be shocked to see Sui maybe trade for $5, maybe higher than that. You have to think like the composite man. You have to think like the smartest player in the market. Smartest player in the market was probably selling his Sui for some sweet profit in December of 2024. Why was he doing that? Because we already saw Sui pumping aggressively. From where it was trading in October 2023, Sui went from as low as a $0.37 level. We saw Sui rallying to new all-time highs. We saw Sui pumping by more than 1,300%. There's only two things the market can do. We're pumping to the moon or we're dumping to gobbling town. And in 2023 to 2024, we were pumping to the moon. We were singing Kumbaya. It doesn't mean there was no dump along the way. And that's one thing you have to be able to stomach in the cryptocurrency market. Guys, in one of the most volatile markets in the world, huge profits can be made. But at the same time, huge losses can be made. In the altcoin market, volatility is a future, it's not a bug. What we're expecting is altcoins to be very volatile. We're expecting to buy them low, to sell them high, to buy them when other market participants are scared, and to let them go when other market participants are greedy and FOMOing at the top. If you follow this framework, guys, you are in for some huge profit. And even though Sui was giving us a 1,300% pump to the upside, along the way, we saw Sui dumping by around 78%. So for you to gain that 1,300% pump to the upside, you had to stomach a 78% drawdown, and you had to still believe that there was possibility that we could set new all-time highs. And you can see it took Sui a very short time to recover all those losses. We dumped in August 2024. I remember that dump was called the Japanese yen crate carry dump, yada. By December, we were singing Kumbaya. By December, we were all pumping to the moon. It took 147 days for sentiment to completely shift back from extreme fear towards extreme greed. And by December of 2024, we saw a lot of market participants singing Kumbaya as we were going to the moon. But 2025 has turned out to be a year that was full of a lot of excitement. A lot of market participants were expecting us to just pump to the moon, myself included. We ended 2024 on such a positive note that there was no way we could phantom 2025 being a dump year, but that's what 2025 have ended up being. It doesn't mean we didn't pump in 2025, just like the way I just showed you the pump earlier. It doesn't mean we didn't dump. Throughout 2025, we have seen Sui lose 74% of its value. And yet again, a lot of market participants have given up. This time is different. We're already in a bear market. But guys, That's what is very, very interesting about the altcoin market. So we have had multiple 50+% dumps in Goblin Town after it was launched. It dumped 76%. We saw it recover from that dump, go to set new all-time highs. In 2024, we saw it dump another 77%. We saw it recover, go set new all-time highs. Who is to say we can't recover and go set new all-time highs in 2025? Everything is always possible to those who believe. But at the same time, guys, you have to believe with sense, because there's always that possibility that Sui could easily rally just enough to make us believe that the bull market is back, and then we get trapped. And I believe that's around the $3.62 region. In the coming days and the coming weeks, if we see Sui rallying towards $3.62 and we start facing rejection around that region, guys, don't be shocked. That might just be the biggest bull trap of this cycle. In the coming days and the coming weeks, a big bull trap is going to appear in a lot of these altcoins for Sui. For us to get to new all-time highs, we need to see more than a 226% pump to the upside. For Sui to get to the $3.6 level, we need to see around a 115% move to the upside. But my best case scenario will be Sui setting new all-time highs. That will get a lot of market participants FOMOing in. That will get a lot of market participants buying high. But the mantra is to buy low and to sell high. But retail investors always find a way to buy high, and that's why they are always selling low. Sui currently trades around $1.67 with a market cap of $6.24 billion. Sui has a fully diluted market cap of around $16.71 billion and also maximum supply of around 10 billion tokens. Sui has 3.73 billion of those tokens in circulation. The all-time high for Sui happened on the 6th of January 2025. We saw it trading for as high as $5.35. Right now, Sui is down 68% from its all-time highs. You want to buy or sell some Sui for yourself? You can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange. You can do that on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can trade some Sui right there. Let's look at Sui's performance against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Historically, all coins underperform against Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is leading the charge. But things usually change when we get very bullish. And when do we get very bullish? Usually it's the end of a cycle, the end of a pump. We saw that happen in 2024 for Sui. Sui was already down bad. We saw it already down bad, 80% from its all-time highs against Bitcoin. But when we went for that end of cycle pump in 2024, it was the election pump, as some people call it, some other market participants call it the Santa Rally. We saw Sui outperforming Bitcoin in that last stretch, outperforming Bitcoin by around 487%. And even though Sui has given back some of those gains, I'll not be shocked to see Sui still outperform Bitcoin again in the next few days and the next few weeks. Sui is down 72% against Bitcoin. Don't be shocked to see a crazy 200 to a 500% pump to the upside over the next few days and the next few weeks. A lot of whales will be flipping their Bitcoin into the altcoin market, and I believe Sui is one of those places that will enjoy from that capital rotation. If you look at Sui's performance against Ethereum also, we saw it outperforming Ethereum crazily by the end of 2024. A lot of market participants flipped their Ethereum into Sui, and you saw it in the chart. We saw Sui outperforming Ethereum by over 874%. But we spent 2025 giving back most of those gains. Sui has spent 2025 erasing around 76% of those gains. I believe we'll end 2025 on a very positive note. We might see a 200 to a 500% pump to the upside. That will get a lot of market participants coming back into the market. The RSI is showing us at the lowest it has been for Sui since way back in October of 2023. That's a positive sign. The coming days and the coming weeks will be very influential in the altcoin market. We have seen the market go from extreme fear towards fear. So the higher Sui go, the more we see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are weird that way. They don't like buying when the prices are low. They like buying when the prices are high. They like buying when there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. But guys, the way to win long-term in the cryptocurrency market is to buy when the prices are low, is to buy when market participants are scared, and to sell when the prices are elevated, when market participants are in extreme greed. For Sui's market cap, are we paying attention, close attention to that $10 billion level? For Sui to get to new all-time highs, we'll need to see Sui rally past $16 billion. And for Sui to rally past $16 billion from where we're currently trading, we need to see Sui pump up by more than 159%. I will not be shocked to see Sui getting to $20 billion. Very possible, and it can happen very quickly. 200% pump to the upside. We see Sui finally touching that 20 billion market cap region. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. What's your take on Sui? How high do you see Sui going the end of the cycle? Do you believe the bull market is over for Sui and we're deep in the bear market? Or do you believe we're going to see that Santa rally to end the cycle? That big pump to end the cycle? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.